We're going to make a quick pickle. We're going to make 3 different types of pickles, but we're going to use a saucepan. You can go ahead and use your Ninja Foodi, but I'm just using the stovetop because it's quick, it's easy. Put this probably on medium heat. Now we're going to go ahead and add 1 1/2 cups of water, 3/4 cup of white vinegar. Ooh, Nelly. Now your house is going to smell like vinegar, but the end result, trust me, you will love it. I'm using an apple cider vinegar. We're going to put in 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. There's 1, 2, there's 3. Hold on 1 second. I just bought another one of these. So that was that 3? Oh no, how many was that? Oh, we're going to do 4. 4 and then 4 1/2. That's probably like 5. So that's maple syrup, or you can use honey, or you can actually just use sugar. But I'm opting for the maple syrup today. Now the sea salt, this is where it calls for fine sea salt. I don't have any fine sea salt in the house, so I'm actually going to go, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do 7 of the Malden sea salts. Now you can go ahead and actually add some red pepper flakes to this, but I'm not going to do that with this batch. Alright, so we're going to bring this up to a simmer. Let's go over and chop our veg. I'm actually going to start off with a red onion. This is like a medium-sized red onion. Grab another. Now you want this like super thin. I'm just taking this film off. Let's put that to the side right there. Like I don't want that part in right there. So what we're going to do is you can go ahead and use a mandolin. I don't feel like breaking it out. Hey baby, what you doing? Alright, we're going to call that enough right there. Next up, we're actually going to do some radishes. I'm going to make some pickled radishes. So I'm just going to slice these super thin. As thin as we can get them. So that's all with the radishes. So slice this as thin as you can. Because we're going to pick out those white. This has come up to a simmer. And we're going to pour this lovely liquid right in. And yeah, and just like this. And we're still losing some. I need that precious liquid. But just take like a chopstick or something and just try to get the air bubbles out. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the fridge. Put the gasket back on the glass. I'm just going to pop those in the fridge.